Vice King Elmer Francia. Second Platoon Leader Boys, Filipe O. Ribuya. CTP Bravo Company Commander, Mabner Ribuya. CTP Bravo Company EXO, Charis Iloso. First Platoon Leader, Girls, Charis B. Oxiano. Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Lilia Grace A. Leon. Mabing Company Commander, Prince Erwin Gada. Mabing Company EXO, John Matthew Lovete. First Platoon Leader, Nancy Winador. Second Platoon Leader, Casey Bustamante. Student, John Joseph Philippines Briones. CPP Mabing Facilitator, Joan Angelica. Patrons Coordinator, Joseph and Team Al Pamela. DXNCDNC Coordinator, George Villa. Pinapin Al Pamela. Actor 25, Labuloy High School, Pinapin sa Tabarina, Labuloy, Camarines School. Thank you. Entry number 25, Laguloy High School, Laguloy, Camarines Sur.
Again po, pinakapulo, Carilaos, Color Blue, Mr. Dennis San Jose, Candanga City Science High School.
Joshua James Perfecto, CTP Bravo Company Commander, Jonabel Minipin Nueca, CTP Bravo Company EXO, Micaela Olvido, CTP First Platoon Leader, Girls, Joey D. Abunan, Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Dayan Baeño, Mabing Company Commander, Jerome Comandol, Mabing Company EXO, Junjun N. Blasa, First Platoon Leader, John Dorian Romero, Second Platoon Leader, Ashley Paraños, Student, Salve de la Cruz, CTP Mabing Facilitator, Ronnie B. Galicia, Assistant CTP Mabing Facilitator, Jeremy Escanio, Angels Coordinator, Casilin Manila, Assistant Angels Coordinator, Mireille Francis B. Bayanos, DXNCDNC Coordinator, Alan Nicolao, Assistant DXNCDNC Coordinator, Julian Arcelino. Entry number 26, Pansong National High School, Pansong Bulak, Camarines School. Thank you. Entry number 26, Pansong National High School, Bulak, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 27, Bulak National High School, Sagrada, Bulak, Camarines Magno. First Platoon Leader, Girls, Alice Jean Almasani. Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Lain El Cano. Mabing Company Commander, Alexis D. Los Santos. Mabing Company EXO, AJ P. Ramos. First Platoon Leader, AJ S. Reposado. Second Platoon Leader, Mini C. Espirito. Student, Romeo P. Colina. CTP Mabing Facilitator, Mark Jones R. Deliguez. Assistant CTP Mabing Facilitator, Christian A. Pena and Mario A. Pino. Majors Coordinator, Anthony R. Pablero. Michael Estado, Mike B. Malala, Jana, Gerly Obaldo. Assistant Majors Coordinator, DBCC Coordinator, Eddie Potental Jr. Alexa Valente, Hazel Danny Filtrante, Assistant DBCC Coordinator. Entry number 20. Thank you. Entry number 27, Bulak National High School, Saglaga, Bulak, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 28, Severino Arroyo High School, San Agustin, Iriga City. Troop and Staff, Mariel S. Ampangan, Troop Commander. Zen Aaron Dulente, Troop Executive Officer. Justin CTP Alpha Company EXO, Gerson Sinahon. First Patrol Leader, Boys, Prince Carl Sareno. Second Patrol Leader, Boys, Saul Alcazela. CTP Alpha Company Commander, William Shane Servillo. CTP Alpha Company EXO, William S. Ampangan. First Patrol Leader, First Adeline Belmonte. Second Patrol Leader, Girls, Princess Nicole Bonifacio. Alpha Company Commander, Hans Kai Alexis D. Manoy. Alpha Company EXO, Kyle Lawrence Beatriz. First Patrol Leader, Alvin Dapon. Second Patrol Leader, Edward Ray Olsen. Unit Patrol Leader, Severino Arroyo High School, San Agustin, Iriga City.
Thank you very